So we got one question from Sandra from Toronto. Things seem to get better for a while, but then it's like 2 steps forward and 3 steps back. What am I doing wrong?
What is she doing wrong, Danny?
I've done that. I lived that. I think I've even said that before.
You all have.
Yeah. Not trusting yourself when you take those 2 steps forward. Not trusting the process and what you're doing. For me, and then when an incident may happen that brings you 3 steps back, is it really worthy of bringing you 3 steps back? Like whatever happens.
Well, the answer to her question is at the end of her question. You think you're doing something wrong. And you think there's something wrong with the way you're doing things. Maybe you're not taking 2 steps forward. Maybe you're taking 2 steps forward going down the wrong path. And then maybe you back up 3 steps, but then you go in a different path. The key is don't keep going down the same freaking path, right? Take a couple steps forward. That ain't working. Back up and go in a different direction. So, again, we're enslaved by our habits. We're enslaved by this mental program, by this paradigm, as Danny called it. And so if your way's not working, you got to change what's going on inside. And everybody's doing it themselves. It's the DIY on self-help, do it yourself. It doesn't work. I mean, you'll make incremental gains, but most people like me, I struggled a long, long time trying to figure it out by myself. And that's not a good idea. If you want to move fast and you want to make changes quickly and you're sick and tired of being sick and tired, you got to go ask for help and make sure you're asking somebody that's getting the results you want to get. Like, don't go ask poor people for advice if you want to earn money. If you want to lose weight, don't ask somebody that's fat. Okay. Now, you may not like the way I say that, but that's real. We go to people for their opinion and they're not even getting the results that we want. And that's not a really good idea. So listen, Danny, thanks for coming on.
For having me.
It was great. I wish we could do this all night. There's Adam. Thanks for the gut punch. No problem, buddy. We could do this all night long. You can find Danny online. He's a great guy. And if you ever want to chat with him, I'm sure he'd chat with you. And come back to the show. We're here every Thursday. If you're on YouTube, subscribe. You'll get notified. If you want to reach out to me, if you want to talk, if you want help, if you want to work with me and have me mentor and coach and punch you in the gut and kick your ass, I'm ready for that. I love kicking people's ass. And of course, Tyson and Aaron, thanks for all your help. And thanks for all of you that are watching. And again, share this. If you're watching the replay, share it. Put some comments in. Let us know how we're doing. If we're pissing you off or you want to fight or argue or complain or ask a question, just like get involved in the conversation. And we're going to keep on going here. So thanks again, Danny. Thanks, Tyson. Thanks, Aaron.